Relying on a single source of money can be very risky. If you want to improve your finances, start by looking within. Making money is hard, but keeping it even harder, especially when you're struggling with low and inconsistent income. However, there are small, smart money habits that can change everything for you. In this video, I'll be sharing practical, direct tips that can help you build financial stability even if you're starting from zero. I really hope you stay to the end for actionable solutions. Pay yourself first. Set aside savings before anything else. Forget the stress of trying to track every expense and cutting back. There's a smarter way to take control of your money. Instead of micromanaging your spending, set a clear and realistic saving goal with a fixed percentage of your income that you can comfortably set aside. So once your savings is secure, you can manage the rest of your daily expense without guilt or confusion. To stay disciplined, you have to separate your savings by using a dedicated account or a digital wallet, and better yet, automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. One app that I recommend is Piggyvest. Piggyvest helps you automate savings, lock funds for higher interest, save for emergencies, and even grow your savings in dollars. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description below along with a video where I break down this step in more detail. Build your financial safety net. No amount is too small to begin your emergency fund. Life happens, flat tires, sudden hospital bills, even that urgent family request. And trust me, emergencies don't care about your budget. That's why you need an emergency fund. Even setting aside 10% of your income in an easy to access stash can make all the difference. Because here's the truth, when an emergency hits and you have no backup, you'll be forced to either fall back on your savings or worse, go into debt. And debt is like quicksand to your finance. One wrong step and you're sinking fast. But the good news is that starting small is way better than not starting at all. No matter how small, start building that cushion now. Your future self will thank you when unexpected times come knocking. Dodge debt and master the art of negotiation to keep more money in your pocket. Debt can either build you or break you down. The trick is knowing the difference. Only borrow for productive reasons such as starting a business or an investment. And even then, make sure you've done your due diligence so you're not just funding a well packaged liability. And here's a skill that will save you thousands. Negotiation is not about being cheap or frugal, it's about getting the best value on terms that will profit both parties. Whether it's rent, bulk purchases, or even service charges, always ask yourself, is there a better deal? Can I get a better deal? You'll be surprised how often the price will drop. Also, be cautious about buy now, pay later plans unless those items are absolutely necessary or time sensitive. You might just be borrowing from your future self. And trust me, future you deserves better. So share with us in the comments what's the best deal you've ever negotiated. I'd love to hear your money saving wins. Finally, seek practical ways to boost and expand your income channels. If you want to improve your finances, start by looking within. You likely have untapped skills and talents that can earn you extra income. Think about the things you do effortlessly, the knowledge you take for granted, or even hobbies that you truly enjoy that comes easy to you. You will be surprised just how many people are willing to pay for something that you overlook that comes naturally to you, especially when it meets their needs. For example, if you are great at cooking, you can sell homemade meals or even offer catering services. If you have a knack for explaining things, why not tutor students? Why not create an online course or even grow a YouTube community? Do you like shopping and know places in your local area that you can get the best prices? You can start a small retail business, whether via drop shipping or being a personal shopper. Even digital skills like writing, graphic design, or social media management can open doors for you to remote freelance opportunities. The key is to explore every legally acceptable way to grow your income. Relying on a single source of money can be very risky, but when you gradually build multiple streams, you can better control your finances. So whether it's a side hustle or a long-term business, just taking that first step towards monetizing your skills can significantly improve your financial stability. Now that you have these 5 practical tips, the next step is simple: take action. Remember, small consistent effort can lead to big financial wins over time. Whether it's mastering budgeting, saving intentionally, making smart investments, or finding ways to boost your income, every step brings you closer to financial freedom. Like everything in life, financial success isn't about perfection but about progress. Start from where you are, use what you already have, and grow from there. You got this, and I'm rooting for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments. Till my next video.